when does being easy to work with become a problem? That's what we're looking at this week. In the context of the high-functioning individual, and in the context of work, corporates usually, being easy to work with is like a badge of honor. We praise the employees who give us little trouble and can deliver great results. In fact, they very often are the ones who end up with even the bigger workload because they're so reliable and easy to work with that, well, it's easy to give them more work to do because they're trusted and they can be relied upon. The issue with being harmonious and easy to work with, when taken to an extreme, is that it often comes at the expense of our own truths. And so what I want to highlight this week is the importance, as it is common in the framework that I am slowly unfolding with you, the importance for balance. It is great to have the ability to read the room, adapt to the tune and energy that's playing at the moment. It's wonderful to be able to flex our muscles across a wide range of tools and skills and situations and even personalities. But when we rely on it to the point where we're no longer saying what we feel, think, need or prefer for fear of rocking the boat and upsetting the harmony of the situation, we risk being in denial of our own self, and protracted over time, this can eventually end up in feeling resentful, feeling exhausted, feeling unseen and unattended to in many ways. So my reflection for you this week is very simple. Think about, say, last week, last 2 weeks. How many times have you been in situations where you said, yeah, it's okay, I don't mind? And only later, on reflection, you realized, yeah, actually, I would have liked to say something different. I didn't like that I had to do that. And learn from those moments to recognize that actually there is a need, there is a preference, there is a voice that needs to be heard. And my invite to you is that you start connecting with it and you start speaking up.